Do you find speaking English difficult? In today's video, we'll learn simple and advanced English sentences to make your daily conversations more impressive. Basic, how are you? Advanced, how have you been? Basic, I am fine. Advanced, I'm doing great, thanks. Basic, I'm very happy. Advanced, I'm absolutely delighted. Basic, sorry, I didn't understand. Advanced, sorry, could you clarify that? Basic, can you help me? Advanced, could you give me a hand? Basic, I like this. Advanced, I'm quite fond of this. Basic, this food is tasty. Advanced, this dish is absolutely delicious. Basic, I don't like this. Advanced, this isn't really my cup of tea. Basic, I like watching movies. Advanced, I enjoy watching films in my free time. Basic, this book is good. Advanced, this book is incredibly engaging. Basic, I think it's a good idea. Advanced, in my opinion, that's a brilliant idea. Basic, I agree with you. Advanced, I completely agree with your point of view. Basic, I don't think so. Advanced, I beg to differ. Basic, this is very important. Advanced, this is absolutely crucial. Basic, I'm not sure. Advanced, I'm a bit uncertain about that. Basic, can you repeat that? Advanced, would you mind repeating that? Basic, give me some water. Advanced, could you please pass me a glass of water? Basic, tell me the time. Advanced, could you let me know what time it is? Basic, open the window. Advanced, would you mind opening the window? Basic, I need your help. Advanced, I could really use your assistance. Basic, I will call you tomorrow. Advanced, I'll get back to you tomorrow. Basic, I'm going to sleep now. Advanced, I'm heading to bed now. Basic, I will come soon. Advanced, I'll be there shortly. Basic, we will meet at 5 p.m. Advanced, let's catch up at 5 p.m. Basic, I have decided to start a new job. Advanced, I've made up my mind to start a new job. Basic, the weather is very hot. Advanced, the weather is scorching today. Basic, I'm very tired. Advanced, I'm completely exhausted. Basic, this place is beautiful. Advanced, this place is absolutely stunning. Basic, the test was very easy. Advanced, the test was a piece of cake. Basic, I'm very busy. Advanced, I'm swamped with work. Basic, I am sad. Advanced, I'm feeling a bit down. Basic, I am very happy. Advanced, I'm absolutely over the moon. Basic, I'm scared. Advanced, I'm a bit nervous about this. Basic, I am angry. Advanced, I'm quite frustrated. Basic, go straight. Advanced, keep going straight ahead. Basic, turn left. Advanced, take a left turn. Basic, stop here. Advanced, you can pull over here. Basic, walk slowly. Advanced, take your time while walking. Describing people. Basic, she is very kind. Advanced, she is incredibly compassionate. Basic, he is smart. Advanced, he is exceptionally intelligent. Basic, they are funny. Advanced, they have a great sense of humor. Basic, she is beautiful. Advanced, she is absolutely stunning. Basic, I am late. Advanced, I'm running behind schedule. Basic, the train is late. Advanced, the train has been delayed. Basic, I will come soon. Advanced, I'll be there shortly. Basic, I have no time. Advanced, I'm pressed for time. Basic, I wake up early. Advanced, I'm an early riser. Basic, I go to work at 9 a.m. Advanced, I start my workday at 9 a.m. Basic, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Advanced, I usually have my breakfast around 8 a.m. Basic, I sleep at 10 p.m. Advanced, I call it a night at 10 p.m. Making small talk. Basic, the weather is nice. Advanced, it's such a lovely day, isn't it? Basic, I'm feeling good. Advanced, I'm in a great mood today. Basic, I am very busy. Advanced, I have a lot on my plate. Basic, I like coffee. Advanced, I'm a big fan of coffee. Talking about abilities. Basic, I can swim. Advanced, I'm quite good at swimming. Basic, I can cook well. Advanced, I'm pretty skilled in the kitchen. Basic, I know how to play the guitar. Advanced, I have a knack for playing the guitar. Basic, I can speak 2 languages. Advanced, I'm fluent in 2 languages. Giving advice. Basic, you should sleep early. Advanced, it would be a good idea to get some rest early. Basic, drink more water. Advanced, make sure to stay hydrated. Basic, don't worry. Advanced, try not to stress too much about it. Basic, be careful. Advanced, stay cautious and watch out. Expressing certainty and doubt to Basic, I am sure. Advanced, I'm absolutely certain about this. Basic, I don't know. Advanced, I have no clue about it. Basic, maybe you are right. Advanced, you could be onto something. Basic, I think it will rain. Advanced, I have a feeling it's going to rain. Basic, I need some help. Advanced, I could really use some assistance. Basic, I want to eat something. Advanced, I'm craving something to eat.
Let me know in the comments which sentences were new for you. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more videos like this. See you in the next lesson. Take care and keep practicing.